welcome you aboard. Thanks for flying Southwest today. As soon as everybody's seated and buckled, we can go. So get seated and buckled.
Let's welcome aboard a short 42-minute flight to Dallas. Gusting winds there northwesterly up to 30 miles an hour.
42
Current temperature's 50 degrees.
42 minutes to
Dallas.
Dallas, right?
Kasi ano na eh.
Well, this is as much as we can see Oklahoma.
12:35.
Yes.
Pagdating dun, 1 something. And then from Dallas to...
So if everybody would sit down, we can't leave until you sit down. Take the first empty seat you see. We're completely full, folks.
Completely.
Before I left, agreed instead of flying home, driving.
Hi, David. We're here in Oklahoma. We're about to fly to... We're flying to Dallas. And we have another stopover in Dallas. And then we fly again to Houston, Hobby, where we are staying.
All
Bye
you
for
people in the
now.
back of the plane standing in the aisle, this is for
I
you.
got your call and I missed to answer it.
Empty seat
So
up front,
I'll just
all the
write
way
to
up
you
front.
when we get to Pearland, okay? Bye. Love you.